The existing machine learning, to me, I'm not agreeing with. I have a different way of approaching. Machine learning is going to be run in the background. What is machine learning? We go back to Sam Eldon. Okay. We're not lost, thank God. And we go to machine learning. Okay, now, if we're talking about machine learning, the existing machine learning was, great. They're doing a great job, great, but they are what's a guessing game. Is it green? Is it yellow? Is it round? You understand? Okay, if not, try this algorithm. If not this algorithm, it's a guessing game. To me, it's a guessing game. And then, if all fails, fix the data. I'm not accusing anybody, but I'm saying is, this is what I saw in machine learning. Now, Sam Eldon come back and said, okay, let's look at Donald Duck here. And we have two back. This is 200 toys, and this is maybe another 50 toys. How can you find this Donald Duck in these two toys? In other words, how can you teach the computer to look for these two toys in this? This is my machine learning. I said, folks, computers are zeros and ones. So what is the zeros and ones of Donald Duck? The head, the beak, the eyes, the bow. Okay, we take the zeros and ones and we create words, if you want to create words, and then long words and go through this, or you can create a pattern. So with the computer and the speed of computer, I can create hundreds of thousands of patterns. Not only that, I can take each pattern and I do what with it? I scale it. Smaller, larger, yellow, green, blue, and with the speed of a computer and hopefully enough memory, you can create all this pattern. Now, the computer will go back and be able to search each bag. Literally, we have a copy. We try with the speed of the computer and the ability to be able to match or search, we can find. So now the machine is learning. Now, to me, machine learning is not going to be like they call the IT is going to take over the world. That's not true. It's very rarely that we're going to use human. We can use intelligence to help us. To me, machine learning run in the background to help you make a better decision. Because if you go through the tedious amount of looking for data and looking for correlation and personalization and all that, it's going to take forever. But the machine learning can do that. So, if let's say you own a tomato shop, you sell tomato, and two customers walk in, now we read, I don't want to get into privacy, we know who they are, and then the machine learning go back and check their history of buying, okay, which is done 24 hours, 7 days a week, and all over the world. So history of buying, we look at the first this, and we study it, and we say, wait a minute, we tell the salesman, this is either a shoplifter or a window shopper. Because if I look at his history, he haven't bought a thing in the past, God knows how long. So either you don't spend any energy or you let security know that, there is a possible issue in here. What I'm trying to say is machine learning did not make a decision. Give me enough information for us to make a decision if I want to spend that time with that customer or, we should be watching for this customer. So machine learning is running in the background. Also, the next customer comes in and says, whoa, this is a great customer. And 90% of the time he walked in this store, he bought 10 pounds of tomato, red tomato. How we know that? Of course, we know his credit card and all that great stuff. So we can buy that. We can buy that too. Okay, so we look at him and say, oh, wait a minute, he buys, so offer him red tomato, green tomato, maybe some other product that related to tomato. So now, what the machine learning running in the background is went out as it found Donald Duck, the toy of Donald Duck, and this two bag, it goes out and find pattern and personalization, habits and all that, and it comes back and it says, this is what you can do, make a decision. So this by machine learning, and I have machine learning implemented in everything I do, including infrastructure, the machine learning running in the background to make sure that we have the right, everything is running perfectly and we don't have no issue. So now, we go back to regenerative medicine, we covered this, right? Done, okay, great. This, okay, as we said. Let me go back here, what we have, of course, with the platform, and the data and exchange, and then the machine learning. How the machine learning? Now you fill templates and you send it to your machine learning, get the templates and send it to another machine learning, and they communicate and they say, okay, we're doing some implants. Who out there can help us with the implants and help us with, I think I look pretty without the glass. But anyway, so this is the machine learning. We'll do that. We'll talk to another machine learning, give it the templates, the other one read the templates and say, okay, go out and search or submit to other platform, and the platform comes back and they say, oh, we can help you. This is going to cost, how long is going to take, what you need to do, and all that. So the machine learning was running in the background, taking care of us and taking care of everything we do. So machine learning is definitely going to be running in every application we know of, according to my analysis and my approach. So we done the platform. Okay, we done this. Overall structure. So we go back to this baby. Okay, this we're done with this. Now go back here, which is the structure. This is the structure that I'm talking about. Okay, here, the structure, the umbrella structure. Right now, remember, each platform look like this. You with me? All are virtual. That means with a push, they all run in memory. You push a button, you create 1,000. You push a button, you create